In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your AP News app. So if you're having challenges with your AP News app, maybe the app is too slow, or it keeps on crashing, or it can't open at all, then let me show you how you can fix this once and for all. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so there are quite a number of steps you can take for you to be able to fix any problem with your AP News app. In the first method, go ahead and look for your app through settings and access the app information page. So if you go to settings and then go to apps here, you'll see we have this option called manage apps. For your smartphone, it might be written all apps or just apps. Go ahead and tap on it, and this will go ahead and list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. From the list, scroll down until you see AP News and then tap on it. And you can see we are on the app information page. However, if you can't access this app info page, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, just go back and look for your app. And once you locate your app, go ahead and long press on it like that. And then we have app info. And if you click on it, you can see we are on the app info page. At this point, we want to go ahead and clear the app data and more especially the cache data. So if I go to storage here, you can see the breakdown of data on our app. And I'm interested in this cache data. So when we talk of cache data, we are talking of small files that your app normally stores to enhance user experience. The problem is the more these files accumulate, sometimes they might cause your app to malfunction. So all you need to do is to go ahead and clear them by just typing on clear data here and then clear cache and okay. And you can see our cache data has been cleared. Now, at this point, go ahead and restart your smartphone and then open your app to see if the problem has been fixed. Now, should you find that this didn't solve your problem, then come back again to this app info page. And this time around, go ahead and tap on clear data or clear all data here and then click on OK by clearing all your app data. Then go ahead and log into your app to see if you have the problem solved. Now, in most cases, by following these two steps, you should have fixed any problem with your AP News app. However, should you find that you still have any challenge with your app, then you might need to go ahead and look for any update if it's available. For this, you need to go ahead and look for your app either through Google Play Store or App Store. In my case, I'm on Android and therefore I'll go to Play Store here, then search for my app, then look for any update if it is available. So if you find you have an update available, it means you have been using an outdated version of AP News app. Go ahead and tap on update to get the latest version of AP News app, and this will fix any bugs or security issues that is related to your app. You'll also be able to get the latest features that comes with the app. Once you're done, now you can tap on your app to open and start using the latest version of your app with the latest features. So that's how you can solve issues related to your AP News app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.